the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and jack up the car and get those wheels off. So I'll go ahead and speed through that. Now with the vehicle jacked up with the jack stands or anything, we're going to go ahead and look at the sway bar links. So this is the sway bar links right there. I already, we have one nut right there, one nut right there, and in the middle of them are Allen wrenches. I actually have a Allen number 5 on it, or a hex head number 5, and I've already sprayed them. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to try to get these off. They might be stubborn because they're a little rusty, and if you've ever done these before, what a pain in the butt. So, but the replacement ones are a ton better. We'll go ahead and compare them after I get this one off. So I'll go ahead and start taking this apart, and we'll just speed through it. So this is what happens when they're old and rusty and they have this really crappy Allen wrench system or hex head system. This always gives way because it's rusty, and these are also like a nylon lock washer or nut, so they clamp a little bit better than your normal ones. So since these are junk, you can most time just grab right here with a pair of vice grips. Now you have that. Take your 15 millimeter. Put it back on there. And you can take it off the rest of the way. There we go. That one's out on the bottom. Take our vice grips back off here. And we'll do the top one. Hopefully this Allen wrench actually stays good this time. Break it loose real quick. Okay. Now if you're installing a set of sway bar links like the ones I have here, the Allen wrench in the middle, I would not practice what I'm doing. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spin the middle and then let the wrench hold steady. So like I said, I would not recommend doing this if this is how you're going to install the sway bar links. My sway bar links are from Moog, so I'm not going to have this issue. But all right, now with that nut out, you want to take the Allen wrench out too. Just going to want to push it up on through. So let's go ahead and compare this to the new Moog ones. So here's the one that came off the vehicle. Looks okay, right? But then we look at the Moog one. Look at how much more beefier this one is. It literally dwarfs it. Also, the Moog one has greasable ball joints. So I would definitely recommend the Moogs over top of the stock or the cheap version from your auto parts store. I know for a fact these are the cheap version because I am the one that put these on. So learned my lesson, go with the Moog. So let's go and put this one back on. Also, the one thing that's nice about the Moog is check out that. That's a little spot that I can put on a wrench so I don't have to do an Allen wrench on the end. So much stronger, so much smarter. Alright, we're now back under the vehicle, and we're going to go ahead and drop in this new sway bar link from the top. Did I get the nuts off? One other thing to note is that the sway bar links are different from side to side. Believe it or not, actually I'm going to get it in from the bottom, it looks like. So, what I was saying is, believe it or not, the rear right and the driver front are the same sway bar link, and the right front passenger and the rear driver is the same sway bar link. So it's kind of funny how that is, but it's they're kitty corner kind of deal. So I got that in position there. We're just gonna throw on a nut here. Hey Mark, can Can you relieve the pressure on the jack? What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 3/4 inch wrench. I'm going to put my 3/4 inch wrench there. And then my father-in-law will go ahead and tighten up the nut right here. So you take your wrench, slide it up here, and you get on top of the bolt, or the little fitting that you have on this side. And I'm just going to hit this in here. And then I'm going to go ahead and tighten both of those up. Should just be able to tighten them up without having the wrench in there, because the back of the where I had the wrench should be like something where it hold tight. Alright, that one's nice and tight. Alright, and that one's nice and tight. So we're all set underneath here. I already did the other side. And if this video helped you, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel in this video. And check out my other video. I also have another Mazda video doing the rear shocks on this. So thanks for watching.